What's going on, YouTube family? So it's been 4 months with the Bluetti AC2P, and honestly, this is one of my best purchases of 2025. Anytime that I go out and about to like any type of trip that we're going on, small pueblos we're traveling to, this goes with me. And I have to tell you guys, this is one of my best purchases because whenever I'm using my smaller electronics now, please listen to what I'm saying. I'm not telling you the bigger electronics this will work great with, because I don't take out bigger electronics when I'm using this. I use much smaller electronics like the iPad Mini 6, the DJI Mic Minis, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, my Sony ZV-1, my, what are the glasses? The Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, and then the two DJI action cameras, the Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Osmo Action 2. So those are the main things that I take out with me to use this with. And so far, it has gotten me through an entire day, fully charging all of that back up. And when I get back home at the end of it, I'm usually around 20–25%. And that's recharging all the stuff I just mentioned back up, right? Because none of that stuff really takes a whole lot of power to charge back up, and it doesn't really take that long. I really take advantage of this 100-watt USB-C charger here. And then sometimes, especially with the Sony ZV-1, I have to use the USB-A because that's the way it was designed to use with micro USB. But I never use this side with the plug-ins with the AC power. That's because you're using that inverter. Using direct current is far more efficient than using this. Now you can use this if you need to, but I prefer to always use DC. So that's answering the first question that was left behind. The second question I had left behind was durability. And since I've had this, honestly, I've never dropped it anywhere, but it doesn't show any signs of wear or tear or anything like that. I've been very careful. I'm really careful with my devices. So as far as durability, if you're taking care of it, it should be able to take care of you, as long as you don't drop it or damage it or put a whole lot of weight on top of this thing, which I don't carry anything on top of it. It has a nice little carry handle here, so it makes it super easy to get around, okay? So that was question number 2. And then the last question I have is about the warranty and being abroad. How would that work out? Excellent question, which is why I don't think I would buy another one from the States and send it here, because I would have a hard time finding somewhere to get this fixed, because typically there's not Bluetti being sold here. But recently I found out that Bluetti is being sold by the Home Center. So those of you who are in South America, you're very familiar with the Home Center. It's sort of like Home Depot, right? And they do sell Bluetti products just like this one now here in the store. Now, where do they send it to get it fixed? I don't know. That I don't know yet, but I do know when I get ready to purchase the bigger one, and I want to get the only bigger one they have here is the Bluetti AC2P, which is a 1440 watt battery. So it looks just like this, it's just much bigger. It's probably 4 times the size of this one. So that's the only other one I would get, and it is super overpriced compared to what you would pay for it on Amazon. On Amazon, it's like $460, where here it's pretty much $1,000 for that same power station. So yeah, I already know. But if you're gonna pay, you gotta play. I mean, if you're gonna play in South America, if you're gonna live here, you're gonna have to pay the difference with those import taxes, those fees. That's what it's gonna cost. So yeah. Anyway though, that's the next one I plan on picking up. I wanna keep it all Bluetti. And you know, I haven't had any emergencies in the home to where I need to use this for any particular reason. But when I'm out and about, it's nice knowing that I have this to count on. And I do keep 2 small power banks in my bag just in case something happens to this or I ended up charging way more than I thought. I do have those 2 extra, but so far this has done the job, no problems at all. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Just a quick update on the Bluetti AC2P. And would I recommend this? Absolutely, especially at that price, $159. You can probably catch it on sale lower than that. Now, would I buy this used? Now, that's another good question. I forgot where they left that one. I think it was on a short that I did. But I would never buy a power station used. That's me personally, because I don't know how the previous person treated it. Did they use it as a UPS and leave it at a certain area running all the time, which basically drains the battery a lot faster? I don't know. So usually with me, especially when it comes to electronics, I prefer to buy new because I'm the only owner, versus buying something, especially like this, used, and you have no idea how somebody treated it, if they dropped water in one of these plugs or anything. So, you know, I prefer new, all right? But that's just me. But anyway though, guys, that's it. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.